2017 Toyota Tacoma. I'm doing the air filter and cabin filter replacement. So with your air filter, hood popped, obviously you want to come over here and there's these metal spring clips, and basically you just push this down and then pull the bottom part out, like down and out to release it. It'll want to reattach, so just be aware of that. So down and out like that. Okay, and then we're going to lift this front part up right here. Like I said, the little springs will want to grab when you're going up, but go up in the back there's tabs, so watch out for those. This will just pull up and slide right out. Just go ahead and pull this guy out. Boom, no problem. Here's my new one. This is from Toyota. This is the part number for Toyota. It's an air filter. Okay, go ahead and put this back in. As you can see, just a regular filter, you just slide it in. It's like a rectangle, so it only goes one way. It doesn't matter which way, just get it in there. And then lift these up when you go put it down. These will want to get in your way. Put the tabs in the back. There's these little plastic tabs back here. And what you do is you slide those in first in the back, right there. I know it seems like obvious, but you'd be surprised. Some people try to force it with those out. And then we'll go and put these in place. Now when you lock these, they shouldn't be super hard to lock. They should be like a little stiff, obviously, because they're spring tension, but they shouldn't be that bad. And that's it. That's how to do your air filter. Now to the cabin filter, go ahead and take whatever you got out. This little panel, you kind of pull it up from over here on this side. You pop it up, and then you slide it out from the side. So you go on this side, you go up, and then slide it out away from the side. This has arrows that point up. Just lift this up, and then you could take this out. That's our cabin filter panel door. So just on each side, there's a little like plastic little spring thing, and you just pop the door off. Comes off easy. Slide this out carefully. Try not to drop any leaves or debris in that fan. A little leaf like this can cause your blower motor to make like a roaring noise, like a circular humming noise type of thing. So if you want, you could take your phone and just do like a once over, look in there, make sure you didn't drop anything. The tiniest little thing can cause noise when the fan's on, especially on high. This is my cabin filter, also from Toyota. So as you can see right here, it says this side up and insert in this direction. So that's easy, just goes right here. If you have an aftermarket filter, if it has an arrow on it, just make sure it points up. Go ahead and slide this in here like that. Okay, and then we'll put our door back on. All right, like that. Just go ahead and push this in here. Okay, that'll clip in. Sorry about those text message noise. All right, so we'll go ahead and put this in. Put the bottom tabs in first, and then you could put the top part in. The side tabs go in first, and then right here, just clip them in place. Should all go back together pretty easy. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.